Warning, the microphone cuts unexpectedly. Don't hate or scrutinize. It'll get better.
So, currently on the 5th floor of the SLC. On the prowl for anyone wearing the Jumpman. So far, we haven't come across nobody. Deserted. This is a Jordan desert. Shit. One thing that most Torontonians have in common is a love for sneakers. Toronto homes the Raptors and the occasional hypebeast. Hashtag East Coast, we the North. However, DeMar DeRozan, our very own high flyer, doesn't even jump in the Jumpman brand, but instead Kobe's. So if DeMar plays in Kobe's, who wears Jordans at all? We're about to find out. Damn. Ryerson University is in the center of downtown Toronto. So I'm about to ask fellow Ryerson students who I see wearing the Jumpman brand if they ever jumped on a ball court. Come with me, let's find this out. We're about to find out. Hey, give me in that. Yeah. This is a Jordan desert. Nobody's wearing Jordans today. Ooh, I see one. I see one. Okay. Oh, it's a little kid too. Oh man, it's a little boy. Never mind. False alarm. I mean, could we have asked them? Nah. Yo, sorry. I know you're studying, right? But I see you wearing the Jordans, and I'm doing a quick survey. Do you mind if I ask you a quick question? Sure. All right, cool. So my friends out here in the Jordan, do you know what number these are?
No, not sure.
Say that again?
Not sure.
Not sure? It doesn't matter. Okay, so my friend here is in the Jordans. What's your name again? Danny's in the Jordans. I got a quick question for you since you're in the Jumpman brand. Do you play basketball?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. So what you're telling me kind of means you never played a game where a ref was blowing the whistle.
In high school.
Point guard?
Yeah.
Shooting guard?
Yeah.
Point guard?
Yeah.
All right, just as proof, let me see a fadeaway for him. A fadeaway.
Well, really?
Yeah, just right now, just, like a Steph Curry. Come on, pop the shot. Yeah, just right now, just for the camera though, Show the ladies the jump shot. One more time. All right, cool, thank you. Respects. All right, let's get it. All right, my guy out here, I see you wearing the Son of Mars. Fire kicks in all black. Hey, get up, look at me. I'm speaking. Hey, fire. In all black. What's the name again? Safe. All right, Safe. I got a few questions to ask you. Since you're in the Jumpman brand, have you ever played basketball before?
Yeah, football.
Really? All right. Play basketball. What about during your basketball games, right? Was a ref ever affiliating your game?
Yeah, facts.
All right, facts. That's +1 for the boards on who hoops and who wears Jordans. Let's continue this. Hey. Let's see if they're wearing Jordans. Ready? Okay, record this. Let's see if they're wearing Jordans. Let's. Nah. Adidas. Just in the sun, because we're dark bros. We're dark brothers out here. Are we lit? Well?
Yeah, we're good.
All right. Okay, let me climb up the steps. Record him, and I'm gonna climb up the steps. Okay. All right. So we're back here. I see another one in the bread ones. Okay, what's your name, big guy? Come on, for real. Come on's on the come up out here at the ones. So I got a question. Have you ever played basketball?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you played ball. What about, during your basketball games, has a ref ever affiliated one of your games? I'm not talking about, recreation or pickup ball. I'm talking about, on the court, sweating, headband on, and a ref, striped shirt, just blowing the whistle.
Yeah, there's been occasions like that.
Yeah? All right.
Getting out of heated, back and forth,
Okay. So I'm gonna need a bit of proof. All right, come on. Respect. Thank you. That's 2 in the books. Let's get it. Hey, sorry, my friends. I see you in with the Jordans. I have to show respect where respect is due and all. So I got a quick question since you're in the Jordans.
Okay, yeah.
Have you ever played basketball?
Yeah.
All right. And at your basketball games, was there ever a ref blowing the whistle?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. As proof that you're a hooper, I need to see a fadeaway for him. Let's see a fade.
For what, bro?
Oh, this is just it's an assignment. It's a survey. I'm asking everyone who I see wearing Jordans. Just a quick shot. No, it's soft. It's soft.
I'll throw it up for you, so.
Exactly. It's soft. It's just oh my goodness. I'm ugly. It's fact. Ready? All right, cool. Yo, my friend. I see you in the fire once, so I have to, give respect. Respect is due.
Thank you.
Do you mind signing up for a quick second?
Yeah.
All right. What's your name again?
David.
All right, David. I see you with the ones. What is off-white? What's with all these tags on it? What is this? Supreme?
Yeah.
Supreme ones. All right, Supreme season. All right. So I have a question since you're in the Jumpman brand. You play basketball?
Yeah.
All right. And at your basketball games, has a ref ever been blowing the whistle?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So we got a hooper who wears Jordans. As proof, let me see a jump shot. Brick. Take 2. All right, do that again. Do it again. All right, switch. Dribble shot. All right, travel. We don't follow that. We don't follow that travel. All right, thank you. Let's get it. Okay, so I've asked an X amount of students around Ryerson University whether or not they play basketball. The students I asked had to have been wearing Jordans. 40% of men who wear Jordans have never played basketball in their life and has a 97% chance of losing to your boy in a one-on-one match. Don't sleep on me, because you will catch an L. Ladies, don't think I forgot about you either. You girls, 30% of you who wear Jordans have actually played basketball. And I'm not talking about 2K. I'm talking about hardwood, yellow paint, ball in the hand, ball hooping basketball. In total, 20% of those who wear Jordans do and know and have played basketball. My challenge is to anyone at Ryerson University, Jordan wearers or not, who think they have a chance in beating me in a one-on-one match of basketball. Up to 11. Up to 11. If you wear Jordans and you lose to me, you're a scrub. If I win, I'm gonna take your girl and your Jordans. If you, I'll drop a couple racks and buy you a new pair of kicks.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Leave a comment below if you have the gonads to challenge me. Alright, you made it to the end of the video, which means you liked it. While you're here, give it a thumbs up. Let's get it to 100 likes, maybe. While you're at it, subscribe. Follow your boy on Instagram and SoundCloud, because we're rappers. We gotta spit out here. Shirts too. I make my own apparel. Panther Life, Panther Party. Follow me on Instagram to check that out. Wakanda Forever, and we're out of here. Mic drop 1, 2, 3. Get sneakers too, okay? And make sure you get his sneakers too, okay? And make sure you get his sneakers too, okay? And make sure you get his sneakers too, okay? And make sure you get his sneakers too, okay?